Hello, Ella Rose here, and today it's a bit different. One sec. Notice anything? That's right, I changed clubs, people, and shout out to, she calls herself, she wants everybody to call her Fur, but Kate Fireball, because she showed me this tree that I cannot, for the love of God, find. Like, I can't find it. I searched the entire Hollow Woods, but Kate or Fur showed me, and that was so cool. Now I'm doing these quests. Okay, so we're just gonna kind of throw there was a message in a bottle because this person had the game, not the game player, but like the robot who has the script to speak on the game. They, like, the way the game works as that part of the story is that the person, like, the robot, like, threw the bottle into the water. I mean, they had to go somewhere, and they threw a bottle into the message in a bottle into the water, hoping that it would reach their mom, I think, or their best friend. I don't remember. Where on earth is this? Like, whoa, where are we actually going? What on earth? I don't get it. I already did the complete map. Oh, I think in the end we're gonna have to find some sort of treasure. I can't find the treasure. Oh, what on earth is that? Okay, really? Like, wow. I don't get it at all. I need to find something. I really want level 3-teen. I'm kidding. Tree-teen. No. I'ma stop. Where on earth? Whoa. The water's actually kind of nice. I never noticed that, but I think I saw coral. That would be nice if we could actually swim. Like, I think sound, I tried to keep you, but no way am I keeping you. Okay, what? Yeah, so the new club, I changed my clubs because Rose, we're still friends on the game, but like, she's very inactive, meaning she doesn't go on the game that much, meaning that a lot of people are just leaving, and wow, that's just like a bath party, if I've ever seen one. I really don't understand rolling. I don't understand wild rolling, especially, because like, I just don't. Whatever. Who cares? Oh, where on earth am I supposed to toss this into the bottle? What? Wait. What? Oh, tell me. Did I really click no thank you? Wow. I need to climb some stairs now. This may take a while. Meep! Oh, great, that was just a fail. So yeah, I've just been hanging out and having fun with the club, and we've been basically just hanging out. Kate or Fur, as I said, they showed me where the thing is. I think I didn't actually click yes on the thing. I don't get this. I really hate this map. I really just hate it. What on earth? Okay. And yes, we've been working with a Lil Foal on South Hoof. I haven't got a name for him yet. Yeah, you'll meet him one day, but for now, y'all can't, because I already did my daily chores. tomorrow or something I am. And if you're wondering where I've been a lot, like not doing any videos, I've been taking a lot of pictures for a like little thing. What on earth? The bottle from the... Oh, under the Fort Pinta Bridge. This changes everything. I thought that it said into the water, and I was like, because I was like, oh, under? Oh, great. I'm gonna go the other way, because climbing up those stairs are just, I hate it. I am gonna be making my club, like, very soon. I figured out what the problem was with making my, trying to make my club a while ago, and now I'm kind of scared. Where? What's the Fort, where's the Fort Pinta Bridge? That ain't it. Maybe this. This? Question mark? Oh, yes, it's over here. I get it. I've never heard of that being called the Fort Pinta Bridge, though. I've heard of that being the Fort Pinta Bridge, but not that. Actually, that's kind of a nice screenshot. Whoa. Just for the video. Wait, and there's even a person. Perfect, thanks. Continue trotting. I remember when I first got Fort Pinta, like, I trotted along the bridge because I thought it was, like, a castle, and it was so royal, and, like, I really, just really wanted to be respectful and stuff. The stuff I did as non-Star Rider. So, oh, I need to dismount? Ugh. Anyways, pretty soon I might need to log off. I don't know why. Why do I still have the bottle? Like, I thought I was supposed to toss it. I still have it, though. One of the things I want Star Stable to add is... Oh, I had something I wanted Star Stable to add, like... Oh yeah, that's what I want to add. It would be very hard, and it would have to be like... They would have to have a little news saying, this Wednesday there will be no update, or for a few Wednesdays there won't be any update because this update is just huge. But what the update would be is, you would have to, like, first of all, whoa, that's a skeleton. I don't know if they've got the info, but it ain't Halloween anymore. Oh my god, the other day, I was like reaching, oh yay, I have another time circle, yay. Now I need to ask the person where? Chip Chop, where? Ugh. I need to go. I'm gonna ask for where the treasure is. Whoops, that was a fail. Remember my video I made a very long time ago? And it was like, I came around this Fort Pinta Bridge, and I saw this horse, but it was like so disformed. Not disformed, but looked weird. I remember when they added the Lusitanos, and it was so popular, like everybody was riding a Lusitano, and everybody, like, when I got Star Rider, I couldn't see anybody in the dressage halls, but I'm probably thinking, like, everybody there would be riding their like, their Lusitanos, and, wait, did Fur log off? Fur! 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 I don't know, but 2 of the people left the group. Fur! I just love this canter. I just do. But yeah, everybody was riding their Lusitanos around. And I remember, like, there was only 3 colors. Okay, good. Where is the treasure? That's not how you spell treasure. Where is the... Ooh, how do you spell treasure? Oh my god. I don't know. There, treasure. Alright, now I remember. Where's the treasure? The treasure. The Jones treasure. Whoops, I can't do that. Jones. Wait, is that a new member in our club? Nope. Actually, I joined today, and already 2 people have joined. Sadly, what happened with my old club is, like, kind of, Rose went through a time where, like, she really did not, like, she was never on, and then finally she logged on again today. It's been a while since I've seen her logged on, or at least I tried to chat her when she was on, but she didn't respond. P.S. I bought this saddle. I'm sorry I didn't do it with y'all, but nope. Fur! Fur! I need to continue. Fur. Where do you find the treasure? Where do you find the treasure? The Mississippi. Oh, great, that was misspelled. Jones. Treasure. Oh, great. That was just amazing. See y'all next time. I'm gonna continue this. Okay, there we go. ISSIPPI Jones treasure. Oh, great. That was just amazing. I don't get it. I have to hold... what's wrong with this non-star rider? Oh, wait, the star rider. That's just... wow. Hi! Good idea. Next time you spend your money on something, actually use the non-star rider for like 2 seconds. I'm kidding. I'm gonna buy the... I know I was gonna buy the brown Connemara, but I actually saw somebody who had... like, no, there is some in Dundle, but you need... Wow, 3 chats in a row. Level. It's 3 team? 2 elf for that. And me say.